Soybean diseases can quietly limit yield until symptoms become obvious. Two to watch out for are white mold and the emerging threat of red crown rot. Effective scouting is key to catching these problems early. White mold thrives in cool, moist conditions. Think periods of the canopies closed, humidity lingers. It's most common where soybeans are planted in narrow rows, and there's a history of white mold in that field. When to scout? Begin just prior to or during flowering, R1 to R3 stages, especially after stretches of cool, wet weather. And what to look for? Well, wilted leaves or patches of dead plants inside the canopy or on stems. White, cottony growth, the mycelium, often at branch points. Hard black structures on the stem, known as sclerotia. Bleached stems near the base. Wilted plants may appear first in the densest, shadiest parts of the canopy. If you find white mold, note the field areas and how widespread it is. Management won't help this year, but these observations are critical for planning crop rotation and variety choices for the future. Red crown rot. This is a newer disease for many soybean growers, especially in Illinois and the southern Midwest. But it is something to watch for everywhere now. When to scout for red crown rot? Well, symptoms tend to show up late season, often just before or during the pod fill, like R3 to R6. And you should be looking for initial yellowing and browning of leaves, often starting on lower leaves in the canopy. Also premature leaf drop and pink reddish discoloration right at the soil line on main roots and lower stem. If you split the stem, you may see a red core inside. Red crown rot can look like sudden death syndrome or even brown stem rot and other root diseases. So confirm it with the lab if you suspect it. This helps your management decisions next year and helps researchers track spread. Have you seen either of these diseases in your fields? And if so, what scouting strategies or tools have helped you to catch issues early? Be sure to talk with your AgVenture team about what you find. Both white mold and red crown rot are tricky, but staying vigilant and communicating findings, you can make more informed seed rotation and management choices.